Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. I got some good news here for the unemployment boost. But please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to read your comments. Please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Okay, the good news on the unemployment boost. As we know, Mitch Mcconnall has been against the unemployment boost at $600. He's been wanting anywhere from 100 to 250. You know, we've heard all kinds of numbers about it. But now, after their meeting yesterday, it was Pelosi, Schumer, Meadows, and Mnuchin. They all had a meeting yesterday. I don't think Mitch McConnell was there, but after the meeting, I guess they all got together. Now Mitch McConnell is on board for the $600 unemployment boost. That's a great breakthrough there to help the people that's lost their income. As we know, he never wanted it, but they all been saying that people are making more money out of work than they did actually on the job site. Well, you know, they lost their job at no fault of their own. The country was closed down. They was ordered to close down all these businesses and thus making everybody lose their job. So I say, if they're making a little more than what they was making before, oh well, they deserve it. But now it's a good sign Mitch McConnell is on board for it. So I see that the $600 unemployment boost is going to happen. I can't say for positive it's going to happen because it's not signed into law yet. Anything could happen, but they're all on board for it. So the chances of it happening is a lot better than what it was just a couple of days ago. Mitch McConnell seems like he's having a big change of heart, and the only thing that I can come up with is it's close to election time and he knows he's about to lose his job. He's trying to save his own butt. But at the same time, he's helping the people get the money that they need. So I say yay to Mooch. He's finally doing something right. But it's much too late to save his job. He still needs to go. Y'all, this is not law yet. It's not signed in stone yet. So don't count your ducks before the eggs hatch. Anything can happen, but it does look very good that it will happen. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. And just know, I do love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.